0 deaths and only 268 cases. How Vietnam succeeded in coronavirus response. Vietnam has been reporting a low infection rate despite being in close proximity to China, where the novel coronavirus was first detected in late 2019. Vietnam has a population of over 97 million but has reported only 268 confirmed cases of COVID-19 and no deaths due to the disease. 97 of their coronavirus-positive patients are still battling the disease, while 171 have recovered as of April 17. According to the Diplomat magazine, their successful COVID-19 response can be attributed to their early preparations even before they recorded their first case. Vietnam recorded its first COVID-19 cases on January 23, but their Ministry of Health prepared their government agencies for outbreak prevention as early as January 16. They sent urgent dispatches on the same subject to hospitals across their country on January 21. On January 13, 2 Chinese travelers from Wuhan arrived in Vietnam and were hospitalized on January 23. Vietnam responded to this development by establishing the National Steering Committee on Epidemic Prevention on January 30 and declaring the disease a national epidemic on February 1. By February 25, all of their 16 cases had fully recovered, leading to the U.S. Center for Disease Control and Prevention unmarking Vietnam as a country with a risk of community spread. With the detection of new patients came more extensive measures against the virus, suspending foreign entry on March 22 and subjecting all national returnees to medical checks and quarantine. They announced a nationwide pandemic on March 30 and placed the country under a lockdown on April 1. Instead of turning to increased contact tracing and gathering of medical supplies, Vietnam relied on proactive restrictions, allowing authorities and provinces to implement lockdowns when necessary. Taiwan has also been hailed for its COVID-19 response, in a country with a population of over 23 million but only 420 confirmed cases and 6 deaths due to the disease. Though some experts believe that Taiwan would record the most coronavirus cases outside of China, Taiwan's early measures against COVID-19 have proven to be successful. DW News reports that Taiwan implemented a travel ban, rationed medical supplies, used data technology for contact tracing, and fought Chinese disinformation campaigns. However, Vietnam lacked the resources Taiwan possessed, so the response efforts are being praised for being low cost.